Hi, today I'm in Detroit, Michigan at High Bias Studios to give you a sneak preview of the new Moog Minitaur analog bass synthesizer. This thing is amazing and it is going to put analog synthesis into the hands of millions. I'm very excited about it. It's basically inspired by the legendary Taurus 1 and now Taurus 3 pedals. And although its primary function is bass, it is a full-blown analog synthesizer and has tremendous power. It even has more power than these knobs hint, and there are quite a few knobs here. This thing can receive MIDI, it can receive control voltages. If you look on the back, you've got a separate input for gate, volume, filter, and pitch. And you also have a separate audio in, so you can put other music through this thing, run it through the amazing filter. And we really got to talk about this filter because this thing goes from 20 hertz all the way up to 20 kilohertz. It is an extremely wide low-pass filter, and you can really hear it. Also, you have two incredibly fat oscillators that can switch between sawtooth and square. The key thing about this is, on most synthesizers, if you try and play two oscillators at the same time in very low frequencies, you're going to hear pulsing and you're going to hear amplitude drops. And it's great for upper frequencies or upper sounds, but when you're trying to do bass lines, you need it solid all the time. This thing is solid all the time. Instead of talking about it, let me show it to you. I think I have it set up. I'm going to hit, I got a little MIDI controller here. Now that's one oscillator. Now I'm going to turn up the second oscillator and you'll see what I'm talking about. And then sweep that filter. Now that's a filter sweep with no resonance. Now I'm going to turn the resonance up quite a bit. Now remember that everything that I'm doing here on the knobs can also be controlled via control voltage and MIDI. MIDI CC numbers go to every single knob on this thing, which is very, very powerful. So now I'm going to throw a little bit of delay on this just because it's the way you should hear this stuff. Anyway, this is the amazing Moog Minitaur analog bass synthesizer. My name is Daniel Fisher. Thank you for listening.